Picture this: your entire life transformed, not by dramatic breakthroughs, but by habits so small they seem invisible. That's the power of Atomic Habits by James Clear. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a creator, or someone craving lasting change, this book is a blueprint for turning your goals into a reality. Today, we're diving deep, not just into the ideas, but how to live them. James Clear wasn't always a global thought leader. After a devastating baseball injury in high school, he had to rebuild his body, his routine, his identity. That's where the obsession with small habits began. Fast forward, Atomic Habits has sold over 10 million copies and is used by Olympic athletes, Fortune 500 CEOs, and everyday people.
Why?
Because it works. One of the biggest takeaways from the book is this: you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Goals are about results. Systems are about the process that gets you there. Most people fail not because they lack ambition, but because their systems don't support their vision. So, if you're stuck, maybe it's time to stop setting goals and start building better systems. Let's talk about the 1% rule. Ever watched ice melt? Nothing changes from 25 to 31 degrees, but at 32, it transforms. That's what tiny habits do. Improve by 1% every day, and you're 37 times better by the end of the year. It's not about going hard for 2 weeks. It's about showing up for 10 minutes a day, every day. That's how you write books, grow YouTube channels, and build businesses. James Clear introduces the idea of identity-based habits. There are 3 levels of change: outcomes, processes, and identity. Outcomes sound like, I want to lose weight. Processes? I'll run 3 times a week. But identity? That's different. It says, I'm a runner. Real change starts with who you believe you are. Every action you take is a vote for the person you want to become. So instead of saying, I want to be a YouTuber, say, I am a creator. Start small, but start with who. The book also gives us a simple but powerful framework: the 4 laws of behavior change. First, make it obvious. Use habit stacking. After I make my coffee, I'll write 1 sentence. Design your environment to support your goals. Leave your running shoes by the door. Keep your journal by your bed. Second, make it attractive. Bundle your new habit with something you already enjoy. Only listen to your favorite podcast when you're walking. Watch your favorite show only while doing chores. Third, make it easy. Use the 2-minute rule. Want to start writing? Just open the document. Write 1 line. Make it too small to fail. Reduce the friction between you and the habit. Fourth, make it satisfying. Track your progress. Check it off. Celebrate the small wins. Your brain craves that feeling of progress. Want to break a bad habit? Just flip those 4 laws. Make it invisible. Make it unattractive. Make it difficult. Make it unsatisfying. But here's the trap most people fall into: the plateau of latent potential. That period where you're showing up consistently, but you're not seeing results yet. That's where most people quit.
Don't.
Your breakthrough might be just 1 degree away. Then there's the Goldilocks rule. Habits need just enough challenge. Not too easy, not too hard. That's the sweet spot for growth. I've lived this. When I started building this channel, I didn't have the perfect plan. I just committed to 1 habit, write every day. 1 idea became 1 script. 1 script became 1 video. 1 video became a series. That's Atomic Habits in real life. Momentum, not motivation. Consistency, not intensity. So here's what you take with you. Focus on systems, not just goals. Change your identity, not just your behavior. Use the 4 laws to build or break habits. Design your environment to support the person you're becoming. And above all, show up. If this video sparked something in you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Tomorrow, we dive into Grit by Angela Duckworth, the secret to sticking with your goals when motivation fades. And next month, we're launching a full 30-day challenge to help you apply everything we're learning. You in?